got the garage door open, so there may be some noise coming from outside. But, and this is not super exciting, but I have another unboxing, and I know how you guys like these, so I'm gonna make this one just a real quick one. And like I said, maybe not super exciting to you. It's always exciting to me. But this is another box from Creative Paradise Glass, creativeparadiseglass.com. Stephanie and her amazing crew. I got to meet Stephanie in person at the Las Vegas Glass Craft and Bead Expo, and it was so exciting. Very carefully unmolding this because I don't want it to break. Yikes. Look what I got, guys. I got one of her new dot bowl cone. It's like a little 6 inches maybe, and look at this dot texture, and then it slumps down in there. And if you haven't seen some photos, here are some. Look how cool this is. With transparent glass, this is just going to look amazing. And so I wanted, oh, my lights just went off in the garage, but check out some of these amazing pieces and samples that Stephanie has made. It's just so cool. All right, and then another one of the small hearts. I just can't help myself. I love these things so much. And so I got a second one here so that as I fill up a kiln load, I've got lots of options. So that's it, just quick, but isn't this mold cool? Let's see, it is, well, my lights went off and now I can't see, gosh, virtually anything. My eyesight is terrible. You can probably read it faster than I can. Let me put my readers on and see if I can make this out. What the mold number is. It's over here. GM280. Holy smokes, people. GM280. But this is a brand new one, hot off the presses. Not presses, hot out of the slip cast molds. I'm not even sure if these are slip. Anyway, I'll stop talking now. Hope you enjoyed this. Catch y'all later. Super fast video. Bye-bye.